Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and a bit unnerving: quicksand. You might think quicksand is just a myth from old adventure films, but it's very real, and understanding it can be crucial. Let's unravel the mystery of quicksand together. First things first, what exactly is quicksand? Unlike what you see in movies, quicksand doesn't actually suck you down to your doom. It's a unique natural phenomenon where sand, water, and clay mix to form a semi-liquid substance. Think of it as a giant, unstable puddle that can trap anything that steps onto it. Now, let's get into the science behind it. Quicksand forms in areas where there's a lot of water underground, such as riverbanks, marshes, and beaches. The water saturates the sand, reducing the friction between the sand particles. This causes the sand to lose its stability and behave more like a liquid. Imagine standing on a giant bowl of oatmeal that's just been stirred. You can see how it might be a bit tricky to stay upright. Here's where it gets interesting. When you step onto quicksand, your weight causes the sand particles to separate further, making you sink. However, the real danger is panic. If you struggle, you increase the downward force, causing you to sink faster. The key is to stay calm and try to lean back to increase your surface area, which helps you float. Yes, you heard that right. Float. But why does quicksand behave this way? It's all about viscosity and density. The mixture of sand and water creates a non-Newtonian fluid, meaning its viscosity changes under stress. The more you struggle, the thicker it gets, which explains why panicking only makes things worse. On the other hand, staying still allows you to slowly work your way out. Interestingly, quicksand isn't as deep as you might think. It's usually only a few feet deep, but that's enough to trap you and make escape difficult without help. The real hazard is getting stuck and then being exposed to the elements or other environmental dangers. So what should you do if you find yourself in quicksand? Remember to stay calm, avoid frantic movements, and try to lay back to distribute your weight. Use slow, controlled movements to reach solid ground or call for help. And of course, always be mindful of your surroundings when exploring nature. To sum it up, quicksand is a fascinating example of how unique and dynamic our natural world can be. It's a mix of geology and physics working together to create something that's both intriguing and potentially dangerous. If you enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into more scientific curiosities, leave a comment below with your questions or topics you'd like me to explore next. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more science adventures. Stay curious and see you in the next video.